Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Green. In this video, we are going to discuss potential stocks for the current week. In the coming days, we will also release series of videos on basics of stock market for sure. Now coming to our topic. Generally, people learn the patterns and trading methods by analyzing and backtesting the past charts. Though this is a good learning method, the main problem here is that it does not involve any emotions while analyzing the past charts. Apart from all the technical indicators or the concepts you have already learned, controlling your emotions like greed, hope, and fear is much more important to succeed in the stock markets. By analyzing the past charts, you don't feel those emotions. So, the main reason for making these stock analysis videos is to make the traders learn chart reading and trading in live market environment. So, this helps in analyzing the current price movement of the stocks and planning your trades according to various possible future movements. Now we will discuss few stocks with high probability to move well in short term. Once the market opens tomorrow, keep an eye on these stocks and take trading decisions based on their actual movement in live market. In this way, you can develop a perfect trading sense. If you get any doubts while watching these stocks, you can clarify them by posting on our Telegram discussion channel or by messaging us on Insta. Now let's discuss on the stocks we picked. The first stock is Hindustan Copper. Already the stock was updated on 6th April on our Instagram when it was trading around 141 levels. If you observe the stock in daily time frame, you can see that stock formed a cup and handle pattern. If you observe the price levels around 165, there was a previous fall from those levels and it was rejected thrice at the same levels. Now let's draw a resistance line connecting all those highs. You can see here in the last session, the price has broken its resistance line. If you observe the breakout candle, there are almost no wicks. This type of candle is known as bullish Marubozu candle, which can be considered as high bullish signal. Also, the breakout volumes are looking decent too, so we can consider this breakout as high probable breakout. We always take trade with 50% quantity on breakout levels and the balance quantity at retest or 50% retracement levels. If you are a low risk player, you can add your entire quantity at retest. Remember, there is no hard and fast rule that every stock should come for retest. If buyers are showing more interest in particular stock, then prices might not come to retest levels. Automatically, it reaches higher levels without any retest. In case if price comes to 165 levels, it would be the best opportunity to add, and 173 level could act as a minor resistance. If price crosses 173 level, we can see good momentum in the stock. The factors you also need to consider is the demand for electric vehicles is surging and copper is heavily used in electric vehicles. You know what? It requires almost 1 mile of copper wire for winding electric vehicle motors. Copper is even widely used in making of batteries, inverters and other charging stations. By considering all these factors, we can even hold the stock for medium term too. Let's discuss the next stock, which is related to optical fiber cables. The speciality of optical cables is they are very thin and carry heavy data transmission at higher speed. Many people might think that we use fiber optic cables only for broadband, but optical fiber cables are even used in endoscopic surgeries. This company is going to play a major role in implementation of 5G network in India. Optical fiber cables are also used in vehicle airbags so that the response time would be in milliseconds. HFCL is the leading manufacturer in optical fiber cable segment. The plant has combined capacity of manufacturing 6 lakhs kilometers of wire per annum. Now let's see the chart analysis of HFCL. We already updated this stock on April 24th on our Instagram page, which almost gave 31% return. This is a weekly time frame chart. You can observe that prices are rejected here thrice. So we can draw a resistance line at this particular level. If the price breakout with good volumes, we'll get a good opportunity to go for long here. In case of the breakout, this resistance line will turn into support. We call this as resistance turn support line. So for better risk reward ratio, one can add their position at retest levels. You can add this stock in your watch list and keep an eye on it. Now if you look into the stats, Brazil is the world's largest producer of sugar in global market. Due to the low production in Brazil, a lot of demand for sugar has increased. Due to the huge demand, prices got surged up globally. India being the second largest producer of sugar in the world, we can benefit from the increase in sugar prices. Even to produce hand sanitizers, we need an ingredient called ethanol, which comes from sugar industries. Now our stock pick is Dwarikesh Sugar Industries. Let's look into the chart analysis now. Once the breakout happened, we updated in our Telegram group when the stock was trading around 46 levels. We can observe clearly here in weekly time frame that the stock is making higher lows. Let's draw a resistance line here around 42 levels. you can see a formation of ascending triangle pattern. Also, if we look at the volumes, the stock had given a breakout with very high volumes. Let's see further analysis in daily time frame too. If we observe the chart, the stock has even completed 50% retracement in the first candle. So there is very few chances that the stock might retest 42 levels again. So plan your position sizing according to the risk that your pocket can bear. There is very good probability that this stock is going to outperform considering the chart analysis and current market updates. Now let's move on to the next stock, BSE Limited. This is chart of BSE Limited in weekly time frame. I think you might have got an idea by now which pattern that this stock has formed. Yes, it's the same pattern that the Hindustan Copper has formed, which is cup and handle pattern. Now if you observe here, the prices are rejected from these levels. Let's draw a resistance line here at 645 levels. In the last week, the prices have broken this resistance level with good amount of volumes. If you observe the chart, it didn't come to either retest or 50% retracement. So it will be a good opportunity to add if the stock comes to retest or retracement levels. You can keep the stop loss just below the support line. So let's move on to our last stock, HEG. If you look into the weekly time frame, you can see there is a rounding bottom formation. If you observe, there is a price rejections. So let's draw a resistance line here. Now this 2310 will be the resistance level. If stock break out the resistance level with good volumes, then we can see a good opportunity here. As we already know, once resistance got broken, it will turn into a support. So if price breaks 2310, then it will turn into support. For better risk reward, you can take entry at retest levels. So these are our stock picks for current week analysis. Based on the momentum of the stocks on Monday, if we find any new stocks, we will update on our social media accounts. If you have any doubts, you can clarify with us on TradeGreen discussion channel. If you like the content, like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to tap that bell icon for future notifications. Links of all social platform accounts of TradeGreen are provided in the description below. You can follow us there too. This is CA Vijay from TradeGreen. We wish you all TradeGreen in your next trading session. Thanks for watching.